It's all right. Good morning, everyone. Look, I know it's a bit early for the crypto world, but we've got a lot to cover today, and I'm going to keep my remarks fairly brief as a result. Looking around the room, I've got absolute confidence that this is going to be a fantastic event. If you look at the talent that you've got in the room, the preparation that Dr. Paolo has just talked about, and also the enthusiasm that we've got for the industry, I think this is going to be a fantastic couple of days. And I'd like to start just by extending my sincere thanks to the DLT Science Foundation for bringing everyone together. I'm sure that this event will give us the insights that we're seeking, but we'll also walk away with a deeper appreciation for everything that's happening in the industry. And sort of being here at the 25 Hours Hotel at GITEX just sort of highlights how vibrant I think the Dubai tech scene has become, particularly around blockchain and Web3. And yesterday I had the privilege of delivering a keynote at the Future Blockchain Summit, and I hadn't realized how big that had become. It now spans the whole of the Dubai Harbour, and if you get the chance to go down there, I'd recommend that you do. But for me, this is just another sort of example of the vision and the leadership that Dubai is showing in the space, and its commitment to sort of advancing the industry and advancing the D33 agenda. And I think we're starting to witness fundamental transformation in finance, which is being driven by technologies like blockchain and AI. And these innovations are sort of breaking down traditional barriers. It's something I spoke about yesterday in my keynote there. They're expanding access to financial services. They're sort of reshaping how we think about regulation as well. And at VARA, we're trying to lay the foundations for innovation to flourish, but in a sort of secure and stable environment. And I think we've made a lot of progress on that so far. I referenced a quote yesterday from a comedian. I think it's relevant. I'm gonna say it here as well. I came across this in 2018, I think, when I first started getting into the space, and he said, Bitcoin is everything people don't understand about computers, combined with everything they don't understand about money. And it's funny, but it kind of perfectly encapsulates for me where we are in this industry, and that's why events like this are so important. They help demystify what is something really complex to people, and I want to just take a moment to extend my thanks to the media that are in attendance as well, because I think you play a crucial role in sort of making this space more accessible, helping us give that clarity, helping us get that message out there. So thank you for coming along. For VARA, over the past year, we've attracted some of the world's most sort of prominent global Web3 brands, and I think that helps to position us as a hub for innovation and excellence. But this is really just the beginning for us. We have a very, very ambitious plan over the next couple of years, and I'm particularly proud of the world-class team that we've built. Many of them are here today. You'll get a chance to perhaps interact with them as well. They're really pushing boundaries on creating a regulatory framework that is innovative and robust and flexible. And so I have huge optimism for VARA going into the future and what it's poised to achieve. I think as the sort of financial landscape continues to evolve, we're really committed to a system where technology and regulation work hand in hand, driving that innovation, but also protecting consumers at the same time, which I think is sort of atypical of regulatory environments in general. So I'll just close by saying thank you again for everyone being here. Thank you to everyone who's contributed to setting the event up. Thank you to everybody that will continue to contribute over the coming days. And I wish you all a very productive event. Thank you.